Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can hide your picture on Viber from people who are not in your contacts. First of all, we will quickly check if Viber is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Viber. If there's an update button, click it and wait for the latest features to be applied. After that, open Viber. We need to open the More section by clicking on the three dots located in the lower right corner. Here we are offered a large number of options from which we need to find the settings and enter it. In the New Options menu, select the Privacy section. Among the large number of options that are offered, we should find the Show Your Photo option. With a simple click on the switch, we will hide our picture from all people who are not in our contacts. This is very useful because if someone gets your phone number, they won't be able to see the picture when they type that number on Viber. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.